In this video, I will talk about maintaining a service portfolio. So what is service? There are three major attributes of service. One, making ourselves 100% useful, serving without any pressure or burden, and service without any expectation. All right. So why service is important? And let's just keep the spiritual angle aside and talk from evidence standpoint that what happens when we serve. Our body has endocrine glands, and these glands, they secrete some hormones. And what happens when we serve, the hormones that are responsible for happiness, the joy, stress-free or efficiency, they get released, and we feel more contented, joyful, stress-free. So it has been proven scientifically that these hormones actually help us in becoming more centered and happy. So there is no conflict between spirituality and science. We may choose different words to say the same thing, but essentially service is helping oneself. Okay, you're not helping others, you're helping yourself, and we will only talk about ourselves for now. Okay, so when I started to serve, I noted that I did not have time, and I was having my own chronic illnesses, my own problems. I had my child was very young. I had to take care of him, my family, my work. Everything was so hectic. I did not have a minute to think about anything else. So how could I serve? And in my journey, I realized that it is important to firstly understand that why service is important. Okay, service is you're helping yourself, you're not helping others. That clarity should be there. Okay, the other thing, often people say that, hey, I give money to my employee as advance, and I'm trying to help my to poor people by giving some advance money. So actually that is not service, because you are expecting something out of it. If somebody who is serving you, if you're giving some advance, salary advance or something like that, you are expecting them to work, and there is some connection, right? And service is when there is no connection between you and the stranger or anybody else. All right, so that clarity should be there. Okay, now how do I serve when I have no time? Okay, to start with, any little opportunity that you get to serve, just serve, and do not think much about it, that whether this is small service, big service. So that clarity should be there. Any opportunity to serve, just grab it and serve. Any volunteering activity. And how can it happen in my day-to-day lives? Okay, let's say you are meditating in this group. Even if you suggest somebody else to join this group, that is service. Or you're doing any activity for this group, that is also service. So this is just one example, and I'm sure in your community there are many more examples. Sharing is the best service and very easy to do. Often people do not share because we think that if I share, what if my portion also gets shared. In fact, when we share, we are actually increasing our portion size, and you will notice you will have more time to think about or more quality service, whatever is happening. Let's say for very, very old people, they feel, what can they serve, what can they do in the society? They don't have much resources, they can't fund financially, and physically also they're not very strong. So what can they do? So for older people, they can serve by giving good vibes. Even if you are chanting or generating good vibes in your house, this is also service. Okay, now let's come to how we can help financially. So what I used to do, I demarcated 10% of my entire income as funding for NGOs or wherever I think I could see the value in the cause. Whenever I was moved with the cause, I would donate some amount, but I made sure that I do not spend more than that. Why it is important to put a cap? because what happens, sometimes we get really carried away in all this, and not only we become stressful that hey, we contributed so much and we don't see any result, but that the idea of service is also lost because you have some expectation out of it. So 10% or whatever you think is appropriate, just carve out from your annual salary and look for causes. It's very easy. The moment you start thinking about where you could contribute, you will get leads. So don't worry about that. All right, so financial, so how we can contribute with our efforts and with financial. Have a mix of these two and without any expectation. All right, happy maintaining your service portfolio.